As we are about to do some braids in my hair, my locks, it's always best to go ahead and just section off the hair first. Decide on where you want your braids to be. I'm going to start with 3 down here and just keep on continuing to go up. Go ahead and section off the part and all that good stuff. And once I get done, I'll come back. I'm going to do them real loose, y'all, because like I told you, I get headaches fast. So I'm doing them very loose. And they're kind of damp. I like to always get my hair wet in the shower before I do any style because I find they're more pliable and they move more better. So get your hair completely wet. You don't got to shampoo it, but just do a water rinse, if you want to. Because I water rinse mine daily. Okay, and what I like to do is I like to put the little small pony bands on it because I don't like to put the regular rubber bands because I don't want my locks getting damaged. So there we go, y'all. One down, bunch more to go. I do, y'all, like I told you, I section them off. I do the retwist, and then I go in and braid it all. And I do it by section. It makes it so much easier. Sort out how you want your hair to be, and then you retwist it. And I'm not using the mirror for the back, only the front. The more you do your hair, you'll get used to not having to use a mirror. And I'm using aloe vera gel. I always retwist with aloe vera gel, y'all, or just water and oil. I don't want a horrible buildup, so that's what I use. My hair hold things. So, see, I just retwist it, do a little donut, and then go back in and braid it all. You can kind of feel, even sometimes, guys, I close my eyes, I can like feel where everything goes. So make sure if you are new to this, you checking to make sure everything goes correctly in each, section. Okay, guys, and what I like to also do is I put a stopwatch on because I like to see how long it really takes me to do the whole thing. Okay, guys, so I'm about to braid this. Nice and tight. And I like to kind of lift mine up. Take your time and braid all the way to the end. And they don't got to be tight braids at all because I cannot do a bunch of tension. And if you run out of hair, just kind of borrow from the others. And that's why I told you it's best to do it when it's wet because it's more pliable and stuff. There we go. And this is how I do my ends. Everybody do their ends different, but I do not want to damage my ends, y'all, so I watch what I do to my ends. And always, y'all, time yourself. See how long it really take you to get done with a style, because you'll be amazed of how you think it take you forever to get done with a style, but it really don't. I usually take this around maybe 2 to 3 times. That's it. No more. Okay, so we got the retwist jumping off. And now I'm about to do the rest, and I'll be back.
Always wisdom that makes someone important, not just wearing pants. Do pants make a leader? Yeah. Tina, how was your first day? Failing. Robot needed me to walk alone. So if you're trying to go out, I'll show you how to do it.
And y'all, I'm in my guest room. Sorry if the light is not real good, but just wanted to show you guys how I did this real quick. So you just retwist your section, and then you go in and braid your section. And make sure you're really looking to make sure you got all the sections, because you'll be amazed sometimes you think you got all the sections and you don't. So And if you want to do this without retwisting, you can do that too. It's all on what you want. But sometimes I like the retwist because I want it to be clean. So like a clean look, fresh. Not clean as in shampoo, but just clean, fresh. The parts fresh. Okay. So then y'all just take all of it. Make sure you grab all of it. Feel around. Take a mirror if you have to. Grab it to at the very root. And now start braiding. Remember I told you don't braid super tight. And if your hair do get dry, you can always just spray with your water bottle. But do it while it's nice and kind of damp. Not dripping, but nice and damp. Like I told you guys, I don't scrunch my ends up or nothing. You might have to add a little bit of water if you want to. And now I'm going to add my pony band. I don't use rubber bands when it's thick like this. Now, if it's thinner locks, you most definitely are welcome to do that. You use regular rubber bands, but still only loop it around maybe about two to three times. Okay, guys, so here we go. We got the 3 started. We're going to keep on continuing to go 4, 5, 6, and keep on